Ati imagine ati niko na criminal record sasa. Vanessa, really? As sweet as I am.
My name is Nadi Flow.
Have we met before?
After 2-3 glasses, akavua nguo.
Oh my God, what is she wearing and who is that and why is she wearing that? You try it.
You know you're ghetto, okay?
I love the ghetto.
Basi sema ni nani alifanya. But you know Vanessa ain't no snitch.
Personally, I don't think anybody on this show has a leg to stand on when it comes to calling each other. Like, I think that if you're on this show, it means you have to have a little bit of like spice to you. And if that means it's like a sexual thing, then that's fine.